wonder if I can hold one. Hold it by the gundy so it So this is the smaller size. These crabs taste real sweet and nice.
Scrappy crab.
And these are the bigger ones. I'll take 4 of them.
You gotta take 6 like this.
Oh, well, I'll take 6, yeah.
What are you doing? You break it out and
Yeah. So for 200 you're getting 6 crab. More than 6.
Yeah.
And you're cleaning it, cutting it, everything.
special, so you get plenty.
We're gonna make crab and dumpling for us to eat. So these mangrove crabs, they have a lot of hair. So what you have to do is take a knife and scrape them individually to get all of the hairs on the leg out. You can roast it out. So what's your number if somebody wants to call you to order?
270-7602.
270-7602. And name?
Sunil.
Sunil. So if you guys want... So if you want the crab man to pass on by you and sell you some nice crab and clean it, call that number. So once the sauce starts to thicken up, you would watch the consistency and know if you want the sauce to be thinner or thicker. So we need this just to be a little thicker, and then this would be ready. And you would want to taste and adjust your salt. So the crab and dumplings are finished, and now I'm gonna sit down and enjoy some of this. And you see how nice and thick the sauce is? That's how we like it. I don't like it too runny.